Hey guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. This is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all social media. And today we're gonna talk planners and also have a little plan with me. It's been a long time. I'm so sorry, but I've been so sick, so extremely sick. Honestly, you guys, since I found out I was pregnant, I haven't planned in any of my planners. I haven't even opened my planners. I haven't even looked at them. It's been a disaster. I've been crazy. The only thing, my whole goal in a day is just to get through work, and then everything else can get canceled or can wait because it's unnecessary. But yeah, that's been my goal. Essentially, my priority is work and then everything else after that. But I haven't planned since about the time that I found out, and this was the planner that I was mainly using, which is my Moleskine planner, and I love it. I think it's beautiful. I think it's really cute. It does the job. It is really I think it just has space for everything that I wanted and needed, and it's been perfect. And I honestly enjoy it so much. I love that it has enough space for decorations. I love that it has enough space for my to-do list. But as you can tell, December was tough because I was trying to get through Vlogmas, and then around here, where was it? On the 22nd was the day that I found out that I was pregnant. And then on the 23rd, so there was a lot of excitement. And then I immediately, I tried to plan and then I got sick. So, and this is where I gave up. As you can tell, I haven't been planning at all. And I am not planning on even going back and trying to backdate. It just makes no sense. But I wanted to at least try to catch back up. We're currently in the week of April the 27th through the 3rd, and this is what I'm going to plan. This is what I'm going to decorate. But I did want to chat with you all about planners a little bit beforehand because I am having a little bit of a debate. This is a 2026, this is a 2025. I did not finish the 2025. I gave up around it was August. Yeah, it was right here when I gave up. And I continue, honestly, I'm getting influenced because I continue seeing the videos of Hobonichis and I'm like, that's so fun. I want to jump into a Hobonichi, but I don't want to buy a new one because clearly if something happened here, maybe it's just not for me. And if I'm being honest, the dailies are what overwhelms me. As you can tell, there's this huge chunk that I just taped down because I was not doing it. I was not keeping up with it. So I don't know. And maybe I can just remove the tape and try to plan some of these since look, I literally didn't do anything any of these days. But I could literally pick it up and just start here in May since we're literally in May. That's a good idea. Maybe we'll do that. I'm literally removing the washi as I'm talking because I think that's a good idea. And kind of incorporate maybe this planner, the dailies with my regular planner. I don't know. I think that's just me brainstorming. And then if I'm being honest, my Hobonichi weeks was just not for me. The same thing. I gave up on that same week. I started already feeling like something was up because I was trying to do my movement. And as you can tell, I did none of it. I checked none of it off. So that was a little suspicious, but I was trying my hardest. I really was. And then obviously I gave up. So I have all these weeks. And if I'm being completely honest, whenever I miss a ton of weeks, I feel so overwhelmed, which is why my other thing was, what if I just used a happy planner where I can literally remove pages and not feel guilty for the pages missed? But am I crazy about changing my entire system? I don't know. You tell me what you think because I clearly don't know what to think. But here we go. Let's go ahead and try to plan in my Moleskine. I have a lot of stickers here that I'm just going to go ahead and take out so we can flip through them and make it a little easier. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I had so many plans for these. I wanted to use these in my planner because it was going to be the year of the horse and I was just so excited and I wanted to use these and now I feel like I can't, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, so I bought these stickers at Daiso. right before I found out I was pregnant, and I was so excited to use them, and then obviously like I stopped planning because I wasn't feeling the greatest. But now we have fun stickers that we can use, and there's even these puppy ones. I'm gonna take them out of the packaging because I prefer them out of the packaging. It makes me more prone to using them, so we'll do that. I think I'm even gonna take these out, right? Yeah, because maybe I'll use them in the monthlies that I didn't use. I think that would be fun. Ooh, this would be fun to junk journal with. So I'm gonna keep this, put it off to the side. And now I need to look at the other ones to see if they were just as fun. No, these were a little like basic, except for the tops. The tops are cute. So I am gonna keep the tops. One thing I don't know where they're at, I need to find them, is my freaking scissors. I don't know where my scissors are at. Maybe they're in my drawer somewhere. I don't know. I have to look for those. But I'm going to keep those for junk journaling purposes. And as far as stickers go, I also have these that I haven't really used. Now, I did use some of the the Snoopy stickers in one of the weeks, so maybe we won't do that this week. I do have these new Monchichi stickers that would be really fun, so maybe we'll do those. There's Powerpuff Girls. Some more Monchichi stickers that I got at Five Below. And I had been hoarding them because I love them. And now I don't feel like I have to hoard them because I have more. So yeah, I think we're going to go with one of these, I think. Either Monchichi or these pandas. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at my washi, and if there's something that like catches my eye that would go with this, then we'll do that. But if not, we'll figure it out. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna look at my washi. Okay, so I think I'm leaning towards these two washies and then maybe incorporating some of these, but we'll see because I'm not really sure that this is kind of the vibe. Maybe we just do this. I don't know. I really don't know. I think this would be fun, but at the same time, maybe we pivot. Let's see. Because there would be some cute Snoopy ones. I think we are gonna have to pivot because there's some really cute Snoopy ones that would really go with it. Let's see what else. What else do we have here? These would be cute too. I don't know if you can see very well because I'm kind of using my arms. Oh, that would be cute. Maybe not necessarily that one. Oh, there's some red ones, but I feel like the aesthetic doesn't really go. So there's a lot of green. Am I leaning towards green? Is that kind of weird? Maybe not this one. Let me look at I bought these thinking they were going to be so fun, and they're so big. I wasn't expecting on them being that big. But this would be fun. Oh, am I going to pivot again? Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, so for a second there, I was thinking about using this with these. But I think I'm going to skip on this and I'm going to save it for next week. I feel like that would be a good one for next week. And I am going to use these and I'm going to incorporate Snoopy. There's a lot of cute Snoopy stickers that I can use. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm thinking I'm going to use this at the bottom. Can you see? Yes, you can. I feel like I'm so rusty with my little planning stuff. I feel like I don't remember how to do things anymore. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna tear it a little bit. Like so. And I think I am gonna use this at the top as well. Like around there. I'm just lining it up with the line as best as possible. I think that's cute. And then I'm going to use this one to go probably just like little pieces. Okay, I think I'm going to lift it a little bit. Yeah, I like it lifted. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. But that washi's sticky. I'm gonna put it like this. So like you can still see it, but it's like overlapping a little bit. And I'm gonna do a similar thing up at the top. I'm thinking more of towards the middle. So like there. Although it goes all the way, but it's okay. And then maybe a little piece over here. But just the smallest of piece. Like right there. Okay, cute. I think I like that. And then I'm gonna use this. Hold on, I'm just putting away some of this washi. I'm gonna use this small liner, which is this color. I already kind of tested it to write down prompt. Although, should I use this color or a yellow? I feel like a yellow would look really nice. Let me grab the yellow. Okay, so the debate is on. Should we do yellow or red? I feel like yellow would incorporate a little bit more of Charlie Brown if we use Charlie Brown. So I'm thinking yellow is going to be the move. And what I've been writing on the days, actually we need to skip a lot, is been writing work and to do. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just because it worked before, it should continue working now. That works. And then I can do my little squiggly line that I did straight lines on here. Let me grab my ruler. See, everything is out of place because I don't remember what I need to do. So I'll be right back again. Okay, got my ruler. So I'm gonna use the same marker. Actually, I'm gonna use the thicker side so we can mark the line. And I'm just gonna mark it exactly where the little lines are at. I don't know if you can see those, but they're like right there. I like that. And then with my handy pen, I'm just going to, which one should we use? I remember one of these did, I don't remember which one it was that bled. But I'm just going to use this one, which is just like a Hello Kitty pen. And I'm going to do the same thing of marking my line with one of these. Ruler. And I think about there is right. And then I'm going to do an outline around work. And it doesn't have to be perfect. At least for me. Because I don't really care that much. Like I do care, but not that much. Perfect, so that's good right there. And then I'm gonna add a couple of stickers for funsies. This one was catching my eye because he's a little barista and it's so cute. I think I'm gonna put him down here. That's so fun. And then I do like this one with Charlie Brown and Snoopy. So I think I'm gonna add, will you be able to see a lot through it? No, not really. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna put that one right there. And then let's look to see what else. Oh, I do like this one. This one's fun. This one's really fun. Maybe we put this one like right here. And then I feel like we need another one, but like a smaller one. Not that one. Oh, there's that one. That would be cute. Okay, so I'm debating between this one right here, this one right there. I also like this coffee one, but it looks a little French, so I'm not going to do that one. And then I was thinking about this one because it has coffee. I think I'm going to go with the little coffee one because that would be fun. And then that right there. Perfect. I think that's so cute. So cute. Let me see if there's anything that I'm missing just so I remember like my little routine that I had going on. Oh, I do like the way I did that. That would be fun. But like, do I like that? Is it too busy? I mean, why not? Let's give it a go. So I have work Monday through Friday. Cute. Okay. And then I'm going to write down my schedule on here. So I'll be right back because that'll take me a while. Okay, well, I think that's pretty cute. I always like doing just like the bones of the planner, and then as I go during the week, then I go ahead and fill it in. I did write down my schedule right below where I wrote work, and I figured I could just use this side to write my to-do list, which I could actually use some of these little stickers for that. So let me grab the tweezers so we can add some of those on the sides here. Okay, so I'm gonna add a red one on each one. And then honestly, I can just add more as we need to. Goes on. I have so many of these, it's kind of crazy. So red on each day. And then I want to do the yellow. So I'm going to do this yellow though. It looks more orangey, but I feel like it matches the color a little bit better. So yellow. And then I'm thinking green, but I'm going to use the lime green. So 1, 2. Kind of looks stoplight-ish, but it's okay. It's no big deal. Cute. I love that. I love it. I think it's so cute. And then I think, don't I have, pretty sure I have some stars. Maybe did I put them on this side? Yeah, I did. Figured maybe we can add just a couple stars because you can never go wrong with some stars. Okay, cute. I think it looks so adorable. I think it turned out so pretty and I love it so much. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here because since I'm a little rusty, I feel like it took me a really long time to plan this out. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe and I will see y'all again very soon. I would say probably next week at the same time, same place, everything. So love you guys. Bye.